my goodness.
Preparing, this is, what are we cooking here?
In pajamas. We are cooking chili.
Chili. Here's how it's done. Look at those magic hands.
Oh, I cut my finger. Just kidding.
And here's the
sous chef
coming right up here.
How you doing?
We got out of bed. We're very dedicated to the cause. No makeup, no frills.
Meanwhile,
no
the
frills.
eyes are burning since the onions have been chopped.
Oh, we missed a step here. We just got these thrown into the pan. Look at them sizzling away. Oh, a little shaking going on.
The Julia Child wine will be coming up soon.
That's for the cameraman.
Maybe we need more.
Well, they're calling for a little more onion here.
My eyes are tearing more and more with each cut of the knife. These don't bother you here?
No, not too much. A little, but not too bad. Alright, we're making chili here. There goes the chili. The meat into the pot with the onions. Look at that technique. Most people just mush it up. It's like a perfectly broken up. Look at this. This is absolutely outrageous. Look at the way she turns it. This, I think she may have learned this from Mark Sconzo.
Thank you, allspice.com. Or is that allrecipe? Allrecipes.com.
That allrecipes.com is where this came from.
Yes.
All right.
Tommy, more meat.
Is it time for the wine yet?
Tommy, she wants more meat.
Let's go.
Here you go. Julia Child.
Oh, here we go. More meat from Julia Child.
Yeah.
Is this a thicker tumbler? Is that too
Oh, that looks wonderful.
Look at the way she handles that meat.
That's another pound we just put in there?
Yeah.
Is that a pound?
Take those little bits there.
Is it?
Whoa, you're going way over it.
Alright, you're good now. That's
Yes?
good.
Okay.
Is it time for the wine?
All right, a little while you're going to see chili.
But not yet.
We're getting ready to put in the stewed tomatoes here. And in Julia Child's kitchen, we know what stewed tomatoes is. The stirring is very important, as you can see. And you notice as she stirs, everything kind of shakes a little.
Don't forget the wine!
The movements aren't just from the hand. She gets her hips into it.
Not yet, not yet. Wait, Tom, can you?
Now we're draining the fat.
It's not that easy to do. You want, let me get a ladle.
They're getting rid of the toy spoons and going for a ladle. Where did the ladle go?
Alright,
Here we go. You're about to see the chili go down the drain.
Let me help you, Arlene.
It's gonna go.
You want me to hold it? Watch out.
Tell me when to stop, boys.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. Keep going, keep going.
Maybe stop right here? I think that's enough. Huh.
Oh, we saved the chili. I was a little worried there. But that would have made a good film, though. Really, this thing would have gone viral if she dumped the whole thing in a sink. Oh, now we're going for a little chili powder, I think. Look at this. I had a recipe. Here we go.
Thanks to Dollar Tree for the teaspoon.
Well, we got ads going here for Dollar Tree. Look at the way she taps that. Oh, such perfection.
Watch the whole thing come out now.
Whoa, there we go.
Now I need 2 teaspoons dried oregano.
Dry oregano.
What is it now? What's
Dry
coming?
oregano.
Dry oregano's coming up now.
What do you want? This is a homemade
No,
one.
I don't know. I'd rather take this one. 2 teaspoons.
Okay, that's it, true.
All right, Lorraine, in case you're watching this, she's not using your oregano.
I got scared.
She wasn't sure what was in
If there
there.
was anything else maybe mixed in there.
Yeah, she thought maybe we could get high on it.
Already bring 2 teaspoons of salt.
It's oregano, salt.
I didn't go all the way with the salt. Here. You're minced up.
And now she stirs. And stirs.
For a minute.
For a minute. We'll come back when that minute's up.
The sous chef has taken
All right.
over.
Yeah, we called in a new stirrer there. Oh, now here's the tomatoes. Now at this point they're worried whether the pot is big enough. Because the pot's starting to run out of space here.
It's gonna be just fine.
Oh, we're going to the brim here.
Oh, wow, this is a lot.
Okay, now mix it right with the
Look
tomato.
at that. Leave some room for the kidney beans.
And tomato paste.
Oh my God. My cup runneth over.
Or in this case, my pot runneth over.
Yeah.
I'm still waiting for the wine.
It's had to break up the tomatoes.
This has got to cook a while, I guess, right? How long
1
is it?
hour.
An hour. All right, I'm going to save my
bring this to
battery
boiling.
here. We're going to bring it to a boil and then let it simmer.
For an
Bring
hour.
it to a barrel.
All right, we'll be back in a... All right, the sous chef has stepped up. This is Julius Child. And he's about to put in the kidney beans.
Still waiting for the wine.
Whoa. There go the kidney beans going into the pot. All right, now he's going to test, see if that's enough kidney beans.
Roll that around your mouth.
I seem to think it's not enough kidney beans, but we'll let Julius let us know.
I think maybe another can would be good.
All right, he's going for a second can of kidney beans. Depends on how you like your chili. I like a lot of kidney beans in my chili. Kind of Chili's chili, not Chili's. What was it? The Wendy's chili. It's got a lot of beans.
All right, we'll put more beans.
All right, he's gonna go for more beans. All right, here goes that second can of kidney beans going in,
Got a lot of liquid.
and that pot is up to the top.
We actually have 2 toned kidney beans.
Yeah, this is the coolest chili you've ever seen in your lives. And now it's going to simmer for another 20 minutes to a half hour with the top off, which
Simmer down now.
which will let some of that liquid evaporate, and that chili will become so good. And if it comes out wrong, the sous chef will be blamed.
Yep. The wrath of Arlene. Be worse than the storms that hit over this past weekend.
All right, let's let that simmer.